So I got a bag of just generic rubber bands for really cheap at Walmart. I did find the belts for this on Amazon. Somebody is selling them, but they are like $10 or $12 for two. And then there's, I guess, there's another one for the door. I don't know. I wonder why these ones are just like nasty, but I honestly think these will work for a while. So let's find out. And the reason I say that they'll work for a while is because I've done this before with MFJ antenna tuners, and they don't work forever. So we have lots of different sizes that could work, and I think erroring on the size of maybe thicker might be good. Okay, so these totally fit. They seem to be okay. I found one that's like really thick. These kind will still work too. All of these will work. Any rubber band like this. So what'll happen is these can dry out, and like with MFJ, that's a big thing. What would happen with the rubber bands would dry out. These originally are made out of some other type of material, but as you can see, it's not slipping, so we should be able to assemble it back together. Let's try it. I'd like to be able to try it with it hanging out just to find out, but I don't know if I can do that. Alright, so I'm gonna put most of it back together because I should be able to just pull this off, and these don't actually really need to be all off of there. It was overkill. Trying to see if there was anything else. Like, where's this one? I don't remember it, but maybe there is one. I don't know. We'll find out when I go ahead and plug it in. Let's see. I don't have any CDs in here. Let me just make sure. Okay, so it's gonna start doing something. Look at that. There we go. So as long as we don't get an error, let's see what it. I bet you the damn dude has sold this thing for $300. Probably put these kind of rubber bands in it too. All right, let's see. We'll put it in number 1. Okay. Watch this. Kerchunk. Isn't that crazy? Whoop. And it's just spinning. We can see our rubber bands. Okay. Push play. Boy, that thing looks so out of round. They press the crap on the disc wrong. Let's see. It's 12 seconds, 13 seconds. So this could be your fix for the compact disc player cdp-cx335. Go to your local Walmart and get the bag of rubber bands for $1.18. It's these ones right here. Advantage rubber bands, assorted sizes, number 54. And I can guarantee you that multiple rubber bands will fit this. These ones are not the tightest ones. The yellow ones are in a couple configurations. You could even do this if they keep breaking. You could run these big wide ones. So let me do a little further testing just to make sure we actually have audio. But I mean, obviously, if you're watching this video, it might be because you want to know about fixing the belts. So you don't care whether or not mine works on the audio part, because we see that it's playing. So let's go grab a stereo and some RCAs. All right, we're going to try this thing here. That's kind of cool little box that I got. USB, TF. I don't know why they call it TF card. What the hell does TF stand for? It's an SD card. Auxiliary, etc., etc. And this thing has Bluetooth. Menu and all that good stuff. But like, there's no display, so you really don't quite know what you're doing. But I've got a cable over here because I can't find RCA to RCA, and I'd have to move this over here to hook it up to that stereo. So I'm just going to do it right in place right here. I can confirm it works. Crickets. That's funny. This little thing's actually pretty loud. So yeah, just running this little amplified speaker, Bluetooth speaker right off of the back of this thing. God, I can't believe this thing actually sounds that good. So it's playing, everything's working. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put it back together. So thank you guys for watching.